Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to refresh your porch this summer, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing a joyful mix of simple, stylish, and welcoming summer porch decor ideas that are perfect for relaxing evenings, morning coffee, or simply adding a seasonal charm to your home. Whether your style leans toward boho, farmhouse, or cozy traditional, these ideas are easy to recreate and enjoyable to live with. Let's get started. Boho Hammock Porch. Create a relaxed boho vibe with a hammock, hanging lanterns, potted greenery, and soft candlelight. Add a patterned rug for comfort underfoot. Neutral boho corner. Use a sectional sofa in neutral tones and bring it to life with bright printed pillows, a macrame chandelier, and a simple glass coffee table. Bold boho setup. Navy furniture combined with jute ottomans, a printed rug, and lush potted plants offers a bold yet calming summer look. Welcoming wall garden. Add rattan seating, a cozy hanging chair, and a vertical wall garden for a porch that's both relaxing and visually stunning. Green and white simplicity. Use crisp white furniture, add bright green accents with plants and cushions, and decorate with lanterns and fresh blooms. Sideboard planter idea. Repurpose an old sideboard as a flower station. Fill it with colorful potted plants and top it with a bright lantern. Classic white and bloom porch. Keep it classic with white outdoor furniture and bursts of colorful flowers and decorative urns and planters. Layered textures. White wicker chairs, a printed rug, and a mix of greenery and florals bring texture and charm without overwhelming the space. Farmhouse touch with shutters. Use wooden shutters as a backdrop, place floral pillows on wicker seating, and finish the look with a soft rug and potted greenery. Navy and wicker combo. Navy wicker chairs paired with a matching ottoman, candle lanterns, and soft blooms create a space that's both refined and cheerful. Comfortable and breezy. Add ceiling fans, upholstered furniture, and a standing floor lamp for a cozy, breeze-filled summer retreat. Breezy curtains and greenery. Frame your porch with soft curtains, decorate with potted flowers and wicker furniture, and place a small dresser for added charm. Farmhouse macrame touch. Blend farmhouse with a boho flair, add a macrame hanging chair, a burlap ottoman, and touches of greenery. Soft neutral lounge. Create a peaceful atmosphere with creamy wicker and wood furniture, soft brown seating, and a few potted plants. Shabby chic summer vibe. Mix vintage-style metal and wicker furniture with bright floral arrangements for a cheerful and romantic setting. Thank you for watching. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy your outdoor spaces, and with just a few touches, your porch can become a favorite spot for the whole season. If you found inspiration here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more home decor ideas made simple and enjoyable. See you in the next one.